30, 60, 90, special right triangle. Leg across from the 30-degree angle is x. Leg adjacent to the 30-degree angle is x times radical 3, and the hypotenuse is 2x. Given a triangle with the three angle measures of 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees, the measure of the sides is predictable. We call this triangle a 30, 60, 90, and it is one of the, quote, special right triangles, end quote. The way to remember the side lengths is that the leg across from or opposite the 30-degree angle is labeled as x long. The hypotenuse, parentheses, which is the longest side, and the side across from the 90-degree angle, end parentheses, is 2x long. The leg across from or opposite the 60-degree angle is x times radical 3 long, and this is also the leg adjacent or next to the 30-degree angle. The reason we are interested in these side length relationships is because if we know what the length of any one side is, then we know the length of all the sides. The 30, 60, 90 is one special right triangle, and the 45, 45, 90 is the other. Notice that all angles in both cases sum or add to 180 degrees. Parentheses 30 plus 60 plus 90, and 45 plus 45 plus 90, end parentheses. For the 45, 45, 90 special right triangle, the length of the legs across from or opposite the two 45-degree angles is x long. The length of the hypotenuse is x times radical 2 long. Radical is another way of saying square root. For the 30, 60, 90 special right triangle, the leg across from the 30-degree angle is x long. The leg across from the 60-degree angle is x times radical 3 long, and the hypotenuse is 2x long. Antonyms: 45, 45, 90, special right triangle. Related words: radical, square root.